What's wrong?
I am throwing. I am not aware of my surroundings.
Oh no!
Leave me alone. I'm almost extinct. I'm a dinosaur. Ah! Not yours. Not yours. No, 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 no. Don't give it to me. Oh, no.
No, my fault.
No! Wait!
Nice.
Huh?
Very.
ROSEMI, no, ROSEMI, no, ROSEMI.
Got the ham on.
My fluffs.
ELIRA, please accept.
I got that. No, you did yours
no.
before mine. Why me? Why me?
There.
Ah!
This just hit so different.
Ah!
Hold the button.
I ran into that too. I ran into that too. I ran into this. I ran into that. I ran into... At this point, it's a challenge of how many things I could run into in every single match. Where am I? There I am. Now I'm getting attacked by Diddy Kong.
Did it!
Wait, why did that
dead?
target me?
Oh.
Where? What am I doing? What am I doing?
Just jump. Oh, he's back.
He's still here. He's still here. No.
Shoo! Still here!
He's still here.
He's
still here. Oh, my bomb! You hit me with my own bomb.
Damn it.
I canceled my flow because it's a slant.
You sound like an anime protagonist narrating the fight.
There's no way.
There's no way! My slanted
It's a
move!
slant massacre.
Massacre. Exactly.
No!
What?
Oh my.
Oh my god!
How did that miss? Come on. Come on.
Yeah, you do be Cloud.
I wish I was bold enough to do any of that. I'm Cloud. I'm Cloud.
Oh no!
Ah! I can't grab you on this slope. I hate slopes in Smash Bros.